By a fusion, the duck sound.
Hello, it's everyone can beatbox, and today we're gonna teach you the duck sound. It's Saturday, and Saturday I teach you SFX sounds. And the duck sound is one of the SFX sounds in beatbox. It's very easy to learn it. You must put your tongue like you're doing the k, but make an O shape, approximately an O shape, and put your tongue higher a little bit and say like you're making, and the sound will come and exhale air, don't inhale. I'll leave a link for the inward case snare in the description below. Don't inhale air. If you inhale, it will sound like. If you exhale, it's very easy. First practice beat, you can follow me the notation here. It's a little bit simple but easy. A little bit hard. One more time. In this video we don't have a second practice beat, but I'm gonna give you 3 tips and some tips in the description. First tip, you cannot do the duck sound while humming because as it will interrupt because you are exhaling air from your lungs, so it can't work. Our second tip is that you can put more effort and air in your duck sound, and it will sound something like. If you don't put so much pressure, it will sound. And you can put both in a beat. Try it and say what happened with you in the comment below. And the third tip is you can put the throat bass. If you don't know how to do it or you have some problems, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can make the throat bass while you're making the duck sound. It will sound something. It work, but the sound will be a little bit different. And put the inward case snare so it can you can breathe. Yes. Thank you for watching, and see you next Tuesday, and for the SFX sound, see you next Saturday, and it will be about the dongo. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like if this was helpful, and subscribe for more videos, and please check the description, and I'll leave some links to the inward case snare, throat bass, and my other videos, not all of them. Check my channel.
Thank you for watching. And please subscribe.